I am Guru Prasanna K from 3D Fully Design. I am your 3D trainer and coach. Here I would like to quickly explore this Royal Challengers Bangalore RCB logo in 3D, that is in SolidWorks.
I searched in Google for the RCB logo and filtered for Creative Commons licenses. I got this royalty free or open source image of the logo. Then I saved the logo image as a PNG file. I decided that outer diameter of the logo circle to be 9 inch or 228.6 mm. Now I am in SolidWorks. On the front plane, sketched a rectangle of length 9 inch and arbitrary height of 12 inch. Then again on the front plane, by using the sketch picture tool, inserted the logo image and scaled it to match exactly the 9 inch length. The height of the image changed to 14.17 inch, which matches perfectly. Then on the front plane, drawn a outer circle of dia 9 inch. Then extruded it backwards to a depth of 0.5 inch for the logo base. Then drawn 3 concentric circles to match the logo, dimensions shown in mm. Created a cut of depth 2 mm from the outer 2 circles. Then created a cut of depth 4 mm from the inner 2 circles. Then created a cut of depth 6 mm exactly at the center. Then drawn innermost 2 concentric circles to match the logo image. Then extruded it up to surface to match the inner face. Then sketched exactly on the alphabets R, C at the center. Then extruded alphabets RC together to match the inner face. Then drawn a center point arc for the Royal Challengers Bangalore curved text path. Then splitted the arc for text gaps. Then added Royal Challengers Bangalore sketch text on the curved arc with Times New Roman font. Then embossed it to a height of 1 mm. Then I traced the lion outlines with a sketch, predominantly splines. Then extruded the lion to a thickness of 6 mm as a disjoint body. A completed 3D logo of RCB. Ultimately, I applied all the appropriate logo colors to the 3D model. Please subscribe 3D Fully Design.